Hi, this is Lorna from Romanian Lace, and today I would like to talk a bit about the next floral Romanian Point Lace pattern that will be available. It's all about orchids. I love orchids so much. I didn't try growing one because I find it a bit intimidating or difficult. So I guess my way of loving them is creating Romanian Point Lace versions of it. This is a baby one with a lot of needlework and bullions. This one is a two-color one, a three-dimensional Romanian Point Lace modern version. But I want to talk a bit more about this one. This is the pattern that will be available in September. Hopefully by the end of December it will be available. So this is the second pattern. The first pattern, remember, is the pansy. So each month I'm trying to upload a new pattern that will be available. If you're interested in floral designs, please let me know, comment below, and let me know what else you would like to have as a series out. So at the moment I'm working on the floral theme, 12 month 12 flowers, starting with the pansy, following up with the orchid, and I am thinking about to have for the next pattern a daffodil. But if you have any flowers that you want like me to work on it, please let me know. So thanks for watching. Thank you for subscribing. And do not forget to check out our website, www.balea-Raitz.com. I'm sorry. It's okay. There you go. www.balea-Raitz.com. Also, the Romanian book is available at the moment in e-version. It's updated. Remember, you guys got the hard copy, but the new one is in downloadable format. It has way more pages and way more details. So thanks for watching, and thank you for subscribing to our channel. Vă pup! La revedere!